Okay, so the standard that we have been working on is NBT 6. Find whole number quotients and remainders with up to 3-digit dividends and 1-digit divisor. But we have been focusing on partial quotients. Partial quotient. So be right here. This is what we are focusing on right here. So the examples that I'm going to share with you, we're going to strictly work on partial quotient. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. And I am going to use 676, and we're going to divide that by 4. Okay. All right, so the first thing, I want to take big chunks because we've also been working with repeated subtraction. So we're going to keep taking groups away. So right away, I know I can do 100 groups of 4 will give me 400. Now I'm going to subtract. So if I take that away, that's a 6, that's a 7, that's a 2. All right, well, I can take more chunks. Knowing my 4's times tables, I can actually go 4 times 60 is 240, because 6 times 4 is 24, but 4 times 60 is 240. All right, so let's go ahead and subtract. 6 take away 0, 6. 7 take away 4 is equal to 3. Now, 36 divided by 4, what times 4 gives me 36? And we know that 9 times 4 is 36. I subtract, I get 0. Once you get 0 or less than the divisor of 4, you are finished. Now I'm going to add these together. 100 plus 60 is 160, plus 9, 169. Okay, let's do another one. All right, let's do 235, and we are going to divide that by 5. So right away I can't do 100 groups of 5 because that's 500. That's too much. So now if I look at the 2 and the 3, the closest thing I can think of is 20, and I know 5 times 4 is 20, but I also know 5 times 40 is 200. Now I'm going to subtract, which gives me 35. Now I ask myself, I know my 5's times tables, so I know 5 times 7 is 35. Subtract, I get 0. 40 plus 7 is 47. And I can check my answer by taking my quotient, which is 47, and I'm going to multiply it by my divisor of 5. 5 times 7 is 35. Carry my 3. 5 times 4 is 20, plus 3 is 23. So we have 235 here, 235 there, and we are correct. Let's do one more. All right, let's do 873. We are going to divide that by, let's do 7. Now I can do 100 groups of 7 is equal to 700. subtract. 3 take away 0 is 3. 7 take away 0 is 7. 8 take away 7 is 1. Well, I know I can get close to 173. I can actually go 20. Because I know 7 times 2 is 14, but 7 times 20 is 140. Subtract 3, 3. All right, so now I know 7 times 4 is 28. Subtract, and then I'm just going to count up from 28 to 33, 28, 29, 30, 1, 2, 3. Answer is 5. 5 is less than 7, so that is my remainder. I have a remainder of 5. 100 plus 20 is 120, plus 4 is 124, so my answer is 124 with a remainder of 5. Again, I can check my work. I can take my quotient of 124, multiply that by my divisor. 7 times 4 is 28. Carry the 2. 14, 15, 16. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. Now I'm going to add my remainder of 5. I have to add that. 8 plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8. So here I have 873. 873. I am correct. You try some problems on your own. I'm going to give you one problem to try on your own. I want you to try 685 divided by 5. Good luck.